guys, welcome back to my channel. I have to apologize for the mess behind me. I've been filming this whole week to try and catch up on videos because we are going away for holiday and I want to make sure that there's enough content for you guys. So hit that subscribe button if you're new or not already subscribed yet. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Candy Cane Makeup. But let's get in today's video because today I thought I'd share some amazing gifts you can buy a girl. Now this is like a little bit of a gift guide for guys as well, buying their girlfriend's product, or if there's a special lady in your life that you want to spoil. Usually people are always doing gift guides on affordable gifts and easy gifts and stuff like that, and today I wanted to share with you some gifts that might be a little bit on the more expensive side. So it's obviously if you want to splurge a little bit but you're not really sure what to buy someone, these gifts are some gifts that I would love. So I thought I'd share them with you and then kind of call this like a gift guide for 2020 for girls, something like that. If you like the idea, press the thumbs up button, but without further ado, let's get rolling. I don't think there's one girl in this world that does not enjoy smelling good or does not like fragrances or designer. So when you put them together, you kind of have a win-win situation. So I bought myself this gift. This is the Gucci I'm Guilty fragrance. The packaging is just so beautiful. I'm obsessed with the smell. It's got such a soft feminine smell to it, and I think it's a very universal sort of fragrance. So I actually got the gift box at edgars. So this actually retails for the same price as the perfume alone, but then you also get the hand fragrance and you get a little roll-on perfume that you can throw in your handbag. So I absolutely love this. I think it's a gorgeous gift for someone you really care about, and girl, it's Gucci. Once again, every girl loves makeup. If there's a girl that's not obsessed with makeup, tell me who she is, please. The Benefit has got these really cute kits. They look like this. And you get different ones with different products inside. This specific one actually has got a professional primer, which is amazing on all skin types. You have a brow gel setter, which is good to set them brows. Mascara, everyone wears mascara. Even if there's a girl out there who does not really wear makeup, she might put on mascara every once in a while. And then a Hoola bronzer. Hoola bronzer is one of the best bronzers I've ever tried. It's one of the ones I grab the most. I actually have like this big one over here, which I really love. So this is a kit that anyone who enjoys makeup will enjoy, and as I said, there's so many different options, plus it comes in really cute packaging that they can also use to store some of their makeup products inside when traveling. I remember doing a gift idea video last year, and one of the products I mentioned in there was named handbags from Perfectly Customized Daily. Now I am obsessed with the handbags. The quality is so good, and apart from the whole handbag idea, they actually have something new with makeup bags. Anything personalized always wins over my heart, and these bags are exactly that. So you have your personalized initials on here, and this is like a double cosmetic bag that looks like this. So there's space for brushes in here, and then you can put your makeup in here. You also get like a little jewelry box, sort of. It's not really a box because it's like a little bag, but look at how cute this is for traveling. And then you lift this up and you have more compartments in there, once again with your initials on the top. And then we have like a clear bag. Now this one I've already used, so it's like a bit dirty at the moment, but what's nice about this is when they pack their products in here, they can exactly see where and what is in here. And I just absolutely adore these bags because they're pretty and they're nice to travel with and just really good quality. Now talking about bags, let's quickly touch on Guess's handbags. I'm absolutely obsessed with the Sprint. So some of the Guess handbags have got this print. I've got this one, and then I also recently bought myself this one. So as you can see, the print is like very designer inspired, and it just goes well with any outfit because it's got that universal designer print. You can kind of match it up with whatever you're wearing. They go for about between 1,500 and 2,000 rand. So once again, it really is a splurge item, but I'm sure your girl, mom, or whoever in your life you want to buy this for will absolutely love this. Once again, touching on this print, they also have this belt which has the exact same print. I have to take this off. Now talking about that print, and on the buckle as well, it's got it like embossed in there. What's cool about this is that it's actually reversible, so you can kind of just twist your belt and then use the brown side. Now let's talk about a hair tool. I have been a GHD fan since forever. I remember buying my first GHD when I was 18, 19 years old, and it's still alive today. My sister actually uses it, so that's like over 10 years, which is just crazy. But a GHD is really an investment, and if she has an older one, you can always upgrade it. If she doesn't have one, she is going to love you. So this one over here is your GHD Platinum Plus. It's like your Volvo XC90. The top of the top range, okay? It's also the best for blonde hair. I believe the plates inside has got different sensors that really evenly distributes the heat. Not that you care if you're going to buy this for someone, but the price tag is a bit heavy, but it's definitely worth it because this way she gets to look after her hair nicely and obviously create beautiful hairstyles using her new GHD you bought her, which also means she'll think of you every single day when using it. If she loves earrings as much as I do, you can for sure buy her a bunch of earrings at Lovisa. Now I'm not talking about the 5 for 100 rand or the 3 for 200 rand. I'm talking about your really luxurious, beautiful earrings like these ones. Lovisa has got such beautiful earrings, but I myself find that I don't usually splurge on earrings. Even though I love them, I would always go for the 5 for 100 option and buy whatever's on sale. So if you know that she loves a certain type of earring, you can go and shop for about 4 or 5 of those earrings at Lovisa, which is usually around 200 to 300 rand a pair. But that way it's really a nice gift, and I'm sure she will absolutely love it. So that is it for my gift guide for 2020 of more like expensive sort of gifts. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you thumbs it up if you did, and if you have any other suggestions that I maybe missed, leave them in the comment section down below so we can all read the comments and get some ideas for gifts for someone. I hope you have a lovely day, and until next time, stay sweet. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.